Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get or how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com or you can open app on your mobile or PC. Once you're here, settings and click on settings. Now in the account info, you have to come here on birthday. So first of all, to get the voice chat, if you go directly to our privacy, you won't see here the microphone input or a voice chat option. So to get this voice chat, you have to go to an account info. And first of all, you have to choose your date of birth. Like first of all, you have to choose your month, then date, whatever your date, and the year. After choosing these things, you have to click on verify my age. Then it will ask you to upload your photo ID and the front and back side. And once you upload both things, and it will ask you to upload a selfie as well. So once you do the selfie and the photo ID, your age will be verified. As you can see, after that, the microphone option will be available here. So I'll show you how it looks. After verifying your age, your microphone option will be available here or will be listed here. So you can use microphone to chat with voice. So once you get this option, you just need to click on this toggle button to enable it. As you can see, enable microphone. So you just need to click on this enable button to get this option. And once you enable, now you can open any game that supports uh, microphone as communication. So let's do that. So the game, you just need to on this mic icon to get voice chat. As you can see, there is a variation in the voice mic. So it shows that you are using the Roblox is using a mic, and as you can see, there is a tracking of voice in the mouse as well. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. That's how you can use voice chat on Roblox. Till then, bye bye.